Today we are going to discuss some other operations on language which are set difference, L1 minus L2, L1 XOR L2, language reversal and language concatenation L1 dot L2. So first we take, suppose L1 is equals to AB comma B and L2 is equals to BC A B. Then what will be the L1 minus L2? The term will which come in L1 but not in L2. So what will be the L1 minus L2? It will be AB because it belongs to L1, but we can say B is common in L1 and L2. So it will not come in L1 minus L2. The term which only belongs to L1 but not belongs to L2, that term will come in L1 minus L2. In the same way, what will come in L2? The term which belongs to L2 but not in L1. So in the same way we can see B is common in both here. So we will not write B. Rest we can write. What we can write? A and BC. So this will be L2 minus L1. So here we can see that the term which belongs to L1 only. So we can write this also like this: L1 intersection L2 complement is equals to L1 minus L2. Here we also can see the term which will come in L1 only present, because L2 complement will have all the terms which doesn't come in L2, because it's a complement of L2. Because if it doesn't come in L2 also, so it will not come in L1 also. So we can write like this: L1 minus L2 is equals to L2 intersection L2 complement. So now come to the next, which is L1 XOR L2. How we can write like this? We can write L1 minus L2 union L2 minus L1. How we can write L1 XOR L2? L1 minus L2 union L2 minus L1. Here L1 only will come and here L2 only will come. So from the example, what will come? L1 minus L2, what we will have? From L1 minus L2 we have AB union L2 minus L1. What we have? A BC. So what we will get exactly? AB A BC. The term which is common will not come, rest will come. So we can say from here that L1 union L2 will have at least 1 and L1 XOR L2 will have exactly 1. It will not repeat it. So we can write L1 minus L2 like this also: L1 union L2, and instead of union we can write minus, and instead of L2 minus L1 we write L1 intersection L2. So now we understand how they are equal. First we take L1 union L2, then what we will have? L1 union L2, what we will have? We will have AB B BC A. Exactly we will have this, yes, AB B BC A. And what we will have in L1 intersection L2? What is common? What is in common? B is common in both. So we will write B here. So if we minus B in this set, then what we will get? We will get A BC A, which is same. Both are same. We can see both are same. So we will write L1 minus L2 like L1 union L2, we can write union. Instead of union we can write minus, and instead of L2 minus L1 we can write L1 intersection L2. So L1 XOR L2 will be L1 union L2 minus L1 intersection L2. Also we can write like this also. Now we come to the reversal language, and suppose we have L is equals to AB and BAA, then what will be the reversal language? It will be BA AA B. So suppose if L is an infinite language and we have A star B star, then what will be the reversal? Reversal will be B star A star. And suppose language is palindrome, then reversal language will be equals to the language. As we all know, palindrome is just opposite. So what will be the condition? Language will be equal to reversal if and only if language is palindrome. The reversal language will be equal to language if and only if language is palindrome. Let's understand it with the example. Suppose we have L is equals to AB and BA, then what reversal language will be? BA AB, which is equals to the language. So now come to the concatenation. L1 dot L2, and suppose we have L1 is equals to 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 and L2 is equals to 1 comma 0, then what we will get in L2 dot L1? We will get 0 1 1 0 1 0. First we concatenate 1, then we concatenate 0. In the same way we do each string. 1 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 1 and 1 1 0 0. In the same way we will calculate L2 dot L1, then what we will get? We will get 1 0 1 and 1 1 0 and 1 1 0 and 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 0. First we concatenate 1 to all, that's why 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 0, then we concatenate 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 and 0 1 1 0. So from this set we can clearly see that both are not equal because terms are not common. So we can write L1 dot L2 is not equals to L2 dot L1. That's why it is not commutative but associative. And it is clear from the definition of cross product that A cross B, modulus of A cross B is equals to modulus of A modulus of B. That is true. That is true only for cross product, but not in the case of concatenation, as we can clearly see from here. not in the case of concatenation. So we can say it like this: L1 L2 modulus cannot be equals to L1 modulus cross L2 for the case of concatenation, and L1 L2 modulus always be less than L1 cross L2. Why it will be less than? Because here we can see that some terms are not repeated, but if the language is big, then the repetition will also be there. That's why, because the repetition, it will always be less or equals to.